Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the new point, that is rotational spectra of diatomic molecules. Okay. In the last lecture we can studied the energy level diagram. Okay. So today the new point, that is rotational spectra of diatomic molecules. This is very important point related to the exam, because the 10-mark questions will be asked. Okay, which question? Describe briefly rotational spectra of diatomic molecule. What? Describe briefly rotational spectra of diatomic molecule. Okay, for the 10 marks. That's why this point is very important. Okay, here the first here regions. Which region, in which region the rotational spectra is observed? Okay, these spectra are observed in the microwave and far infrared regions. Okay, the spectra are observed in the microwave and the far infrared, that is IR regions. Okay, here the next one is condition. Which condition is required for the rotational spectrum? Okay, the here the molecules having the permanent dipole moment. Okay, what? This spectra are observed in case of microwave active molecules. Okay, that is the molecule having the permanent dipole moments. If the molecules without permanent dipole moment cannot be excited by the radiations, okay, of such a large wavelength, and hence cannot produce the rotational spectra. That's why the molecule must having the permanent dipole moment. This condition is required for the rotational spectra. Okay, here the next one is limitation. Okay, this which limitation? This spectra are observed only in case of gases and not for the solid and liquids. What? These spectra are observed only in case of gases and not for the solid and liquids. Okay. Next, rigid rotor model. Okay, rigid rotor model here. To illustrate this for the diatomic molecule A, B. Okay, consider the dumbbell shape consisting of the two balls of masses m1 and m2 representing the atoms. Okay, connected by the rigid rod of length r0, which represents the bond length between the two atoms. Okay, as shown in here figure. Okay, the bond between the two atoms is a stiff, means here the bond between the two atoms is a stiff, means very strong and does not change in length, and the molecule rotates end over end. Okay, this molecule rotates end over the end about the center of gravity. Here see center of gravity C, and this is known as rigid rotor model. This is known as rigid rotor model. Okay, so here this for the two atomic masses, here this for the two atomic masses m1 m2. Okay, at the distance r0, okay, from each other, the moment of inertia I is given by what? The moment of inertia I is given by I is equal to m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square. Okay, equation number 1. Okay, where the r1 and r2 are the distance of center of the A and B respectively. Distance of center of A and B respectively from the C, here from the C. Okay, so the next here from the definition of center of gravity. Okay, from the definition of center of gravity, the moments of A and B about the C, the moments of A and B about the C must be equal to, that is m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2. m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2. Equation number 2. Okay, substituting the value of 2 in equation 1, we get here the equation 1 is I is equal to m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square. This equation we can write in this form, m1 r1 r1, okay, plus m2 r2 r2. Okay, this equation we can write in this form, m1 r1 r1 m2 r2 r2. This means this. Okay, here m1 r1 m1 r1 means what? m2 r2. Okay, putting this value in m1 r1, here m2 r2 and r1 as it is. Okay, m2 r2 means what? m1 r1 and r2 as it is. Okay, therefore I is equal to, here the common factor r1 and r2, the common factor r1 and r2, therefore m1 plus m2, here r1 into r2, r1 into r2. Here the I is equal to m1 plus m2 into r1 into r2, equation number 3. Okay, also from the figure A we can write figure A. Which figure? Here. Also from the figure A, this one figure. Okay, what? R0 is equal to R1 plus R2. R0 whole bond length. Okay, R0 is equal to R1 plus R2. Here R0 is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay, where the R0 is equilibrium bond length. Okay, where the R0 is equilibrium bond length. Therefore, we can write also R2 is equal to R0 minus R1. Here R2 is equal to R0 minus R1. Putting this value of R2, in equation number 2, here equation number 2, where m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2, equation number 2. Okay, m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2. Here m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2, value of r2 is r0 minus r1. Okay, m1 r1 is equal to multiplying m2 into r0 minus m2 into r1, multiplying the m2 to r0 minus r1. Okay, the next one, or we can write this equation in this form also, m1 r1, here m1 r1, here minus and goes to this side, becomes a plus, m1 r1 plus m2 r1 is equal to m2 r0. Okay, therefore m1 plus m2, the common factor is r1. Okay, m1 plus m2 into, m1 plus m2 into r1 is equal to m2 into r0. Okay, this equation we can write also, here r1 is equal to m2, here m2 upon m1 plus m2. What? r1 is equal to m2, here m2 upon m1 plus m2 into r0, equation number 4. Okay, equation number 4. r1 is equal to what? m2 upon m1 plus m2 into r0. Okay, here similarly we can write the value of r2 is equal to m1 upon m1 plus m2 into r0. Here okay, here r1 is equal to m2 upon m1 plus m2 r0. Okay, therefore r2 is equal to, here m1 upon m1 plus m2 into r0, means m1 upon m1 plus m2 r0. Okay, similarly same. Okay, this equation number is 5. Okay, thus from the equation 3, 4 and 5, moment of inertia will be given by, okay, moment of inertia, which equation? I is equal to m1 plus m2 into r1 into r2. Therefore, I is equal to m1 plus m2 r1. The value of r1 is what? m2 upon m1 plus m2 into r0. Okay, multiply the value of r2. r2 is m1 upon m1 plus m2 into r0. m1 upon m1 plus m2 into r0. Okay, here the common factor, here m1 plus m2, here m1 plus m2 goes on cancel. Okay, so here m1 into m2 divided by 1 m1 plus m2 is remains. Okay, m1 plus m2 and r0 into r0, r0 square. Therefore I is equal to m1 into m2 upon m1 plus m2 into r0 square. Okay, therefore moment of inertia I is equal to mu into r0 square, where the mu is called as reduced mass of system. Okay, where the mu is called as reduced mass of system. Okay, this one is equation number 6. Equation number 6. The rotational energy Ej. What? The rotational energy Ej of a rigid diatomic molecule is quantized by the use of Schrodinger equation. It is expressed as Schrodinger equation. E rotational is equal to Ej is equal to h square upon r 8 pi square I into j plus 1 joules. Okay, here equation number 7, where the h is Planck's constant, I is equal to moment of inertia of molecule, j is rotational quantum number having the integral 0, 1, 2, 3. Here Schrodinger equation. Okay, so equation number 7. The equation 7 expressed the energy in joules. Okay, but in spectroscopy it is convenient to express the energy in terms of frequency. Therefore that is mu is equal to Ej upon h in hertz, or wave number, that is nu bar is equal to Ej upon hc into centimeter inverse in terms of wave number. Okay, of the radiation absorbed or emitted. The rotational, here the equation number is 9, and here the in terms of frequency and in terms of the wave number. In terms of the frequency, equation number 8, and in terms of wave number, equation number 9. Okay, the rotational spectra are generally expressed in terms of wave number. What? The rotational spectra are generally expressed in terms of wave number. Therefore, we can write Ej is equal to h upon 8 pi square IC into j plus 1 centimeter inverse. Okay, centimeter is equation number 10, where the c is velocity of the light in centimeter per second. Where c is velocity of light in centimeter per second. Therefore, Ej is equal to capital B, capital J into j plus 1 centimeter inverse. Okay, where the B is equal to h upon 8 pi square IC. Okay, and is known as rotational constant. Where the capital B is known as rotational constant. Okay, and here the equation number is 11. Okay, where B has a unit m inverse, means meter inverse, and this can be converted into centimeter inverse by multiplying by 10 raised to minus 2. Therefore, the value of B is 1039.7 meter inverse is equal to 1039.7 into 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter inverse, that is 10.397 centimeter inverse. The value of B, that is rotational constant. The value of rotational constant capital B is equal to 10.397 into 10.397 centimeter inverse. Okay, so here the rotational spectra of diatomic molecule, the point is finished, and this is very important point related to the exam. Okay, thank you.